How to create a custom SendGrid email design. So first, just simply log into your account. And next is navigate to the email API right here on the left sidebar. Then click on it, then click on dynamic templates under it. Now, once you're here, you will just simply need to click on create a dynamic template if you don't have any yet. So click on create a dynamic template, then just simply input a template name. So for me, I'm just going to name it test and click on create. Now, once that's done, click on your template right here under the template section. So I'm going to click mine, which is test, then click on add version. Then it will bring you right here. So as you can see here on the right side, you will see the SendGrid email design. So these are basically the templates. So if you want to make your own, you'll just simply need to click on your email designs and start from a blank template just like so. Then click on select, and you could either use the code editor. So it's a feature-rich HTML editing with visual preview for complete control of every pixel. But if you want to go with this design editor, so you simply need to drag and drop things. So for me, I'm just going to go with the design editor right here. So I'm going to click on select. Then after that, it will bring you right here on this page. And now you will need to start and utilize the drag and drop modules to add and arrange elements like text, images, buttons, dividers, and social media links. And you could also customize the colors and fonts, as well as the sizes and content within these modules. So if I click on build right here, as you can see, there are different kinds of modules. There is also the global styles right there, which you can edit the email body, the content container, and we also have the advanced settings right there. So let's say you want to add an image module right here. You just will need to click on image and drag it right there, just like so. And here you could drag and drop the image that you want to upload. And you could also click on choose images to upload, and it will open your file manager where you can pick an image that you want. Now, once you are satisfied with your design, you just simply need to click on save right here. Now, if you decide to go with the code editor one, this is what it will look like. So I'm just going to select the code editor, and it will bring you right here. So this is the code here on the left side, the HTML code. And here on the right side is basically the preview or the live preview. So whatever you're doing with the code right here on the left side, you will see the update on the preview here on the right side. So same goes, just simply edit out or go through with what you want and your preferences. And once you're satisfied, just simply click on save and you're good to go. And that is how you basically create a custom SendGrid email design.